What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave and this is Boosted Addictions. If you're stopping by for your first time, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, stay up to date with all my upcoming videos. Also, please hit that like button. Let's get this news out. The more times the videos are liked, the more likely YouTube is to put it into suggestions. So I wanted to give a heads up on TikTok. We started to assemble the short block the other day. The short block is assembled. The pistons finally came in from Diamond. That was the big holdup with the motor build because it was originally told 4 to 6 weeks and we're closer to 8 weeks right now. So the pistons were a holdup. Diamond didn't have a part number for the pistons, so they had to get all the specs and the dome size and, you know, fab up some pistons with a part number. So we finally got them. Like I said, the short block's assembled. You guys probably seen some photos I posted in the community. We just got to put the heads on, put the heads back together, and start assembling the long block, and then we'll get this engine back in the car. There will be a video of all this going down in the car. Also a video of the fuel system. I still haven't gotten to that yet. It's just been crazy busy. We had some snow the other day. I do a lot of snow removal. So anyway, as you guys seen from the title, we got some really big news for the Philadelphia area racing community in general, and you know, a lot of the guys who run E85. We used to have a gas station on Street Road. It was called Omega Fuels, and Omega was selling E85, and at times it was E90. It was really good. Unfortunately, they got shut down due to the EPA shut them down for I believe it was for selling fuel and putting fuel in the back of trucks, like in 250-gallon containers in the back of pickup trucks. Apparently that's illegal. That's what I heard. I don't know if that's true or not. So they got shut down. So that was like a year ago, year and a half ago. Since then, we, or guys like myself, like I've been running E85 for the past 3-4 years in some of my other forced induction cars. I would have to drive to Jersey. Mighty Joe's over in Jersey was basically the closest and the most reliable consistency of fuel of E85. It's an hour each way. So I just got a text message with a picture, and in the picture is a Wawa sign saying E85 now available. Now this is a new Wawa gas station. It is in Philadelphia. It is very close to my house, and also very close to a lot of the meat spots. So I'm going to take a ride over there. We're going to see how much it is. We're going to test it. Bring my tester with me. We're going to see what kind of ethanol content's in it, and we're going to post this. Let's share this stuff, guys. If you're watching this video and you're in the Philadelphia area, please share this video. And I asked you to do that because the more E85 they sell, one, the more fresh the fuel is going to stay. Two, the more likely they are not going to get rid of it. So it's a win-win for everybody. Please share this video. Get the word out. The E85 is being sold. It is being pumped. It is. You can go buy it right now. I will have. I also have another video. I'll put a card right here of E85 and the benefits of E85 that I did. You guys want to check that out. And I'll also put the address of this Wawa gas station in the description below. Check that out and share. Again, share. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, also tomorrow there's an event. It's being held at ACO Raceway, ACO, New Jersey. It's a meet 7 a.m. Sunday morning in Toms River. I believe it was Wawa parking lot, and you have to drive from there to ACO to be participate in the event. They'll also have test and tune, but I'm gonna head out there. I might even go out to the 7 a.m. meet and just take the drive. I was thinking about bringing Murphy's Law, but I don't know. We haven't undecided yet. If we do, it'll all be on footage. So I know Michael Mack's going to be out there for the test and tune. I'm sure that Stang Mode. Oh no, Stang Mode's in Tennessee. So that's right. So I just wanted to give you guys a brief update. If you are able to get out there tomorrow, I'll be out there. I'd love to meet yous and have a good time. Where is the tester? There it is. Alright, we're getting close. So the E85 station it's a new Wawa, and it's going to be up on the boulevard. We're now passing Franklin Mills Mall. This is a big meet location during the summer, especially Sunday nights. This area in general. Franklin Mills near Sam's Club, and then also we're gonna get off. Whoops. Also down on the Route 1 on the boulevard, we have Wawa where we meet up as well. Not the Wawa that's on the E85, but literally a mile and a half down the road. So I'm sure the new Wawa that's on the E85 is probably going to be our new meetup spot because of the E85. But we'll see. Time will tell. Alright guys, so we're really close. We just got to get off this exit right here, get on the boulevard, and Wawa is literally right there. So we're close. We're almost there. You know, this is going to be an absolute game changer for Wawa and the 85 community around here, because like I said, we got to travel so far to get this stuff, and now that it's literally right in our backyard, it is. I'm so excited. You know, I used to have to go and bring 55-gallon drums with me to Mighty Joe's and fill them up so I can run E85, because you know we're talking an hour each way. I can't drive my car out there, fill it up, and then fill it back. I'll be empty by the time I get back. So I used to fill 55-gallon drums and, you know, keep them in my garage and pump out of that. So this is literally only 4 miles from my house. This is a game changer. I'm so excited. I'm so glad Wawa finally did this. Sheetz does this. Sheetz, but we don't have no Sheetz around us. Wow, is that the sign right there? The yellow? Let's see. What's that say? E85. Let's see what it says. There's a little flag, a wind sign. Let's see what we got. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Ooh, this is so exciting. I'm so happy. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Yes! E85, baby, local. This is so cool. Look. Are you kidding me? Yes! Wow, would you look at that? E85 and E15. This is so cool. See if my Gas Buddy card works for it. Oh, it smells pretty strong. Oh yeah, smells really strong. All right, let's put that back. Let's get our tester out. Here it is. I already put the water in there. You know, we got to get this right the first time. We got our little bit of water in there, right to the line. Now we got to get the fuel in there. Help if I took the cap off, right? It looks pretty good. Hopefully that's level. It should be, for the most part. Let's see what we got. I'm starting to see it. I'm starting to see it separate. It's getting down there. Probably about E83, E84 right now. You guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can. And we're gonna let that sit there for a minute. But this is absolutely awesome. Like I said, look at this. I mean, that's Roosevelt Boulevard right there in Byberry. This is an absolute game changer. This used to be the old Nabisco. There's what's left in Nabisco right there. Nabisco Bakery makes all the cookies and stuff. Fortunately, they moved to Mexico. Sad for them. I don't buy Nabisco no more. Yes, I'm a Republican. So, here we go. Look at this. Dude, this is pretty good content. This is testing at about E83. That is absolutely amazing, especially for this time of year to test at that high level. Usually in the winter, we're in our winter months here, so usually in our winter months, the price is $2.35 a gallon for the E85 and $2.51 a gallon for the E15. Does it have the octane content? No, it says it's guaranteed 51 to 83, which it just tested at 83, and it doesn't have the octane content. It usually says about a minimum of 100 octane on pumps that I've seen before, but yeah, this is an absolute game changer. I'm super excited. I cannot believe this. No more driving to Jersey, no more any of that bull crap. I can just get in my car and come fill up. So, guys, again, please like and subscribe, and please share this video. The more E85 this Wawa sells, the more consistent the fuel will be, fresher, and the more likely they will be not to get rid of it. Like and subscribe and share, please. Thanks for watching. God bless.